Hi, I'm Alex. If a box is the first thing that comes to mind when you think of a mattress, then you need to know there's a better way. Companies will try and make it seem like beds in a box are a good thing, but we're going to explain why we beg to differ.
This is what it looks like when they squish a mattress so it can fit in a box.
That process can break the foam and destroy the coils.
This can ruin the structure of the mattress and compromise proper lumbar support.
Also, compressing, folding, and rolling a bed for shipping can actually reduce the lifespan of a mattress. And who wants to spend money sooner than they need to? No one. That's who. Oof. Every time I see it, it hurts.
Some box mattresses are encased in a fiberglass sock as a flame retardant, which can let fiberglass particles into the home if damaged or removed.
That's an experience you don't want. But here's one you do.
We'll hand deliver your new mattress and take away your old one for free. With a 365-night home trial and a lifetime warranty, it's a mattress buying experience that can't be matched.
So, say no to the box. Take our 5-minute mattress quiz to find a bed that suits you. With 9 different kinds of mattresses, it makes finding the perfect one easy.